means, while outside, we decided that you could be trusted. Light side or dark side, the secrets of our workshop go far beyond. In fact, take a look around. And welcome to our workshop. We're glad you're here. In fact, many do not get to see this room, so as you're looking around, you might think to yourself, wow, this is a lot of old junk. Thank you for that pity laughter, I'll take it. Here's the thing, my friends. I'm not light side, I'm not dark side, we're not Jedi, nor are we Sith. In fact, we're a quirky little family that we call the Gatherers. We gather. And while, yes, a stormtrooper who knocks on the door would see worthless clutter lining these walls, what this is history. Parts and pieces that both the Jedi and the Sith have left behind. We take the remnants, we bring it here, and we preserve it. Because if we can preserve the past, well, you can use it to change the future. So let's start talking about the relic that brings you here today. My friends, I assume we've already heard the legend of Luke Skywalker. Yes? Yeah. Good. We hear of another. A Jedi that you look a lot like. A Jedi called Rey came and landed on our planet, and she has started this new awakening of the Force. But it's an awakening that has brought both the light side and the dark side to this very room. Because you are here today to build your lightsaber. The lightsaber is wielded by our greatest heroes. It is also wielded by some of our darkest enemies. Elegant, enigmatic. The wielder and the saber, they work together as one. They call it the bond of the Force. I call it what you would rather be experiencing right now. So, shall we begin?
Yes.
This room's had a long day. Okay, I understand. The Kyber crystal. This is the last thing we'll cover before we'll begin. It only takes a moment to explain your crystal, because ultimately your crystal will choose you. That crystal focuses the Force, so simply put, the color of your Kyber crystal is the color of your lightsaber's blade. Just like blue, once wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now it's wielded by Rey. Or perhaps you are called to green. Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, the color of balance, once wielded by the great master Mace Windu. And red, the color of power, once wielded by the great Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren himself. But I have a feeling you've heard most of these stories. The story that we haven't heard is the story that you are about to tell. So before you choose your crystal, just take this moment, close your eyes and take a breath. Try to clear out that busy day you've had. I want you to picture one of those 4 crystals in your mind. What color does the Force bring to you? Now, open your eyes. Reach out and choose that crystal. Now, if you will, place that crystal in the small tray at the front of your build station, that rectangle right there. That way we can get to the fun part. We will present to you the pieces to your hilt. Now, we are about to begin with this build, but feel free to take this moment, observe what you have in that box. Just don't start building.
Can we pick the ogres?
Tell me the one.
Not Yoda.
chassis. The right side of your box holds your activation plates. Then if you look into the center, you're going to see 4 grips, then 2 emitters, and then 2 palm grips. Now, if I lost you somewhere along those words, don't you worry. That gatherer across from you is about to break down this build step by step. Now, my friends, let's build.
Welcome. My name is Sean, and I'll be your guide here today. So, the Tulliver chassis, just like that. It's going to be the top and the bottom. And we start right at the center over here. So I'll demonstrate the first one. So like we do, I have a more narrow pointed part of crystal. I'll keep it supported on the bottom. I'm going to tuck it into the spring on top here. So I do that. I'm going to push it all the way up. Slide back until you see it right up on the line. And feel a little click in the center until it stops. It's a gradual push.
It's good as long as you can twist it and it will go out and more. There we go. Okay, now
there you go. Excellent. Alright, you can pick your switches. Either one's going to wrap around and protect the crystal. Once you have the set you want, look underneath. There's a red square there. It lines up with the red square there. Just push that in. Then do the matching blue one there. There you go. Very good. Just pick your switches.
I don't know what to do.
Protect the crystal.
You gotta put it red to red and blue to blue.
We're gonna put it here.
It's a bit
Alright. Make sure the colors line up. Look and
blue.
blue.
Yeah, look.
Line up the same
Yeah, look, show
on
it.
the outside. Here, red.
Blue. Go on.
you pick the two that you want to use.
Nice squeeze. Slide up on the
No, mate, you gotta put the blue to the blue.